Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to filter Steam games by price so you can find games that fit your budget. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a navigation menu there with several options. Click on Store to access the Steam Marketplace where you can browse and purchase games. After clicking Store, you'll need to scroll down through the page until you find the Top Sellers section. This section showcases the most popular games currently being purchased on Steam, making it a great starting point for discovering quality titles. Go ahead and click on Top Sellers to see the full list of trending games. Now, if you have a specific game or genre in mind, you can use the search bar located in the upper right corner of the screen. Simply click on it and type in the name of the game or category you're interested in. This is completely optional, but it helps narrow down your search if you already know what kind of games you're looking for. Once you're viewing the top sellers results or your search results, take a moment to browse through the available games. You'll see various titles with their cover images, prices, and review ratings. This gives you a good overview of what's available before you start filtering. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice a price slider. This is where the magic happens. Click and drag the slider to adjust both the minimum and maximum price range you're willing to spend. For example, if you only want to see games between $5 and $20, simply move the sliders to those positions. The great thing about this feature is that it automatically filters the results as you adjust the slider, so you'll see the changes in real time without needing to click any additional buttons. Alternatively, if you want to sort the games by price instead of just filtering them, look at the top of the results page where you'll see a drop-down menu that says Relevance. Click on it to reveal sorting options. From this drop-down menu, you can select lowest price to see the cheapest games first, or higher price if you want to view premium titles at the top of the list. This gives you even more control over how you browse through Steam's catalog. After applying your filters or sorting preferences, simply browse through the results to find games that match both your interests and your budget. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to filter Steam games by price, making it easier to find great games without breaking the bank. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.